In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom kill sound in Slap battles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up custom death or kill sounds in Slap battles. That way, whenever you defeat any opponents, you will be able to hear the custom sound that you have set up. To do this, you have to go into the settings, and you will find it right here. Custom death sound. As you can see, it asks us to input a sound ID. Now, something else that I need to tell you is that, of course, this is going to be a Game Pass exclusive thing. So, as you can see, it costs us Robux to set it up. So if you don't have the Game Pass, you will need to purchase it. Sadly, on this account, I don't have it, but I'm still going to give you instructions on how to do this. So to get sound IDs, all that you have to do is either look on places like YouTube or go over to the Roblox Create website. So go to create.roblox.com or look for the Roblox Creator Hub. In here, you can choose Store, and then choose the audio option. Now you can look for kill sounds. So you can look for a specific audio that you would like to use, or just search for kill sound for generic ones. So once you find one that satisfies you, click on it, go over to more info, and what you have to do is look at the URL. So usually the links or URLs are always going to be create.roblox.com/store/asset and then a bunch of numbers. All that you have to do is copy these numbers here from the URL. So once you copy these numbers, you will be able to go back inside of the game and paste them here. Now, like I mentioned, to actually use the custom death sounds, you need to purchase the Game Pass, so keep that in mind. But once you paste the sound ID here and you click on the option to use it, whenever you defeat an opponent, that sound is going to play. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate it in this video, but it's as simple as gathering the kill sounds and pasting them there. And you can find kill sounds all over YouTube, other websites, communities, or just go over to the Roblox Creator Hub like I mentioned. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom kill sound in Slap battles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.